Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to use a great command, a very useful tool for making corrections in documents using text in voice recognition, specifically Dragon Voice Recognition software. It's called the Scratch That command. So I'm going to just quickly show you how to use it. It allows you to quickly delete or remove the last thing you just said, and you could use it immediately after you say something, or you could select a word or phrase, and instead of saying delete or cut, you could say scratch that. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to give you a quick demonstration. Wake up. Today we're going to practice how to use scratch that. Scratch that. I can say whatever I want, and if I made mistakes, scratch that. I could quickly delete it and get rid of it. Scratch that. So if you say the wrong thing, you mess up, and you want to get rid of it, you can quickly delete it. Scratch that. Scratch that. Scratch that. As you see, it also will let you delete it. Delete it. Scratch that. But the scratch that command works quicker and faster. Stop listening. So that's a quick demonstration of how to use the scratch that command. If you would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get all kinds of easy tips on how to use Dragon, you can do that right here on this page. Or if you want more information about my e-course, which explains how to quickly and effectively and easily start using Dragon without all the mumbo jumbo and the technical stuff, you could also visit my web page, which is also right here. Look forward to helping you with more tips in the future.